Alright, American Pyro here, and we're at Ammo Bros. This is our first time shopping here, and I'm looking for a pistol. So let's see what they got. Which one should I get?
I think this revolver over here looks really cool.
Oh, that does look really legit.
Yeah. Get it.
What's the caliber on it?
I think it says .38.
So in California, these are the options you have, and what my friend and I pretty much have are these 22 rifles right here, kind of AR-15 style, and this is for law enforcement only, so I can't have that, unfortunately. Only the cops protecting us. And you can always get one of these pink ones for your girlfriend. And in California, if you guys don't know, 22 super limited, so I'm actually getting 300 of 22. You're gonna get one?
I might.
Dude, you should. I think I might actually want to get another one.
Let's get it.
I might get two.
I'm just gonna get one.
So yeah, here's the selection. I'm debating if I should get one of these 22 pistols, so I can use that ammo on my rifle and pistol. So yeah, not much craziness here. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Go for it. Huh, not bad.
Not bad. I liked it.
Alright. How?
Whoa.
Nice. Alright, well luckily the fuse is on the top, so I can actually...
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
So I can actually kind of corner it into here safely, so nobody gets hurt. There, you see that? That's the epitome of a safe firework. Yeah, go for it, man. No shit. That's it? YOLO! Nice.